Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Welcome back, everyone, and buckle up while you're at it because this should be a doozy here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
We are about set to drop the puck as both centers make their way into the dot. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Puck picked up by Ehlers. Jostling for the puck, and it's knocked away. Here's a backhander. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick. And he gains the zone here. Denmark's got the puck. Quick pass across to Bjorkstrand. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Team Belarus has won the draw. Broken up at center. Ehlers plays the puck. Rocked him along the wall. From the slot, fires away. Stopped by the goaltender.
Thanks to the guys in the truck, we get a great look at that hit again. He slammed him into the wall. That one hurt.
Team Denmark's got it, and they're on the attack. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes the feed into the middle of the ice. Here they are on the attack. Skates in behind the cage. Oh, did you hear that? That was a car crash out there. Quick pass to Boddicker. And there's the save.
That hit enhances his reputation. Man, he's a hard guy to play against. The game's scoreless. He's trying to do his best to give his team a little bit of a clearer path, and he flattens them there.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Tape-to-tape pass at center. Belarus on the attack. Takes the feed. Russell's got it across the line. Pass back to the point. Takes a slap shot from the point. Shuts him down. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Jensen's won the draw. And now he angles it across to Jensen. Team Belarus has grabbed a hold of the puck. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a chance. Let's see the call here. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the official saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Belarus sends their man advantage unit out for the first time this evening.
And if you're one of these power play guys, James, you can't wait now. It's your first opportunity of the night. You get out on the power play, you want to make a difference.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Belarus has gained possession along the boards. Works it across to Jensen. with possession along the wall. Wrists one and puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Back to the point it goes. Wrists one in close. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. Nielsen's won it in their own end. And manages to clear the zone. Belarus takes possession along the wall. Bodeker's got it in the offensive zone. Picks off the pass. Now he takes it over the line. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Christensen's won it. Takes the puck as the clock ticks down on the penalty kill. Takes a shot. Glorious stop by the goaltender. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty.
Sometimes you go on the ice with the best of intentions, and it goes all wrong right away. That's how I characterize that power play.
Bjorkstrand's got it into offensive territory. Here's a shot. Oh, he'll be shaking his head with that.
Yeah, you're not going to get too many cracks from right in the slot, and he misses the net.
Terrible. Moves the puck along the half wall. Rips it from the blue line. Scores! On the rebound, he pots it.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Team Belarus has got the opening goal in this contest.
So much time left, but it just feels better to play with the lead, and they must be pretty happy to score that quickly.
Scored by number 7, Charles Linglet, assisted by number 15.
Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone.
Time of the goal.
Along the half wall with the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Over the line they come. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Puts it on net. Here's an offensive chance. Rocked on the play.
Did he ever get it, James? That's a really good hit. Now the player's got to go pick up his stick because that got knocked right out of his hands.
Moves it around along the half wall. Flips it up to net. Too much congestion in front. Belarus moves ahead with the puck. Here they come on the attack. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass.
Denmark's done a great job without the puck. Nice pick off there. This game's close because of it.
Here's a pass down low. And he comes up with it.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Moves the puck. Handles it along the blue line. Feeds it down low. Nice pass. Out front, and that one's broken up. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And they'll dump it in. Team Belarus has got a hold of it against the wall. Gets it back. Denmark's got possession here in the neutral zone. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip on the attack along the boards. Here's the official call. Just an old-school tripping call here on this one, Ray.
Sometimes I think you just get burned here, a little bit of a bad break. You're fishing around for the puck, and your stick gets into the other guy's feet.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet. They're not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Lets it rip. That goes off a twig. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus has it near the wall. Carries it in. Strong defensive effort. Misses a golden opportunity there. Tripped up on the play. Delayed penalty coming up. Bonker's going to play it against the half wall. And now he moves it quickly to Jensen. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Batten down the hatches. Things should open up here with a little 4-on-4 on the ice.
4-on-4 play usually starts pretty cautiously. It takes one missed pass or one missed shot, and all of a sudden there's man advantage breaks opening up all over.
And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Moves it to Ehlers. That's intercepted. Through center along the wing. Off the left wing and into center. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Ehlers brings it in. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Their man's now out of the box, and they'll take advantage on the power play. Past the midway mark in this period. 1-0 the score. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Hammers one from the point. Misses the net. Oh!
That's frustrating. You get yourself into position. You don't get many of these chances a game, and he doesn't get it on net.
Russell swooping in on the attack. Takes the pass from the boards. Fires one on goal. Oh, just inches wide.
Doesn't miss it by much, James. That's a really good shot, but you got to get it on the net.
One last rush here on this power play. Impressive job by the penalty-killing unit to keep that one-goal lead intact as we are back to even strength. And that one's turned away.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, isn't it? A chance to tie. They don't cash in, and now we're back to 5-on-5.
Team Denmark still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Nielsen's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Slides it back to the blue line. Puck set across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Russell. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection.
They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance or they take a penalty.
Too much congestion blocks the shot. Carries it across the line. Moves right to the middle. He was right there and they can't convert. Team Belarus is ready to go on the attack. Takes the feed. Move to the middle. From the opposite point. Into the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Picks off the feed.
There's a time to be risky. That one, there was no play. I think he could have gone deep with the puck.
Shot and makes the save.
Goalies are always trying to get better at this. Making the save, but getting the rebound into the corner.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Puts it to the front of the net. And as he stumbles, he coughs up the puck. Off a stick. Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck over. The one-timer airmails it.
Did he ever? He's got to bring that down a couple of feet.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Handles the puck at the point. And that goes off a player in front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Belarus looks to break out in their own end. Gets the puck in deep. Team Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Good hit to knock the puck loose. Smart heads up play to intercept the pass. Lets it go. Oh, great glove save. Where'd that come from?
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of them.
Here in the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Great cross-ice pass. Sends a pass over. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot with the stop. Takes it across the blue line. Handles the puck. Glove save by the goalie.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop.
Denmark still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he heads outside the comfort zone now to go play the puck in his own end. Oh, they force the turnover. This could turn into something. And it's a quick pass to Bjorkstrand. Here's a chance right in the slot, and that's broken up. Eller's got it in the offensive end. From the slot, stones him with the blocker. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Moves the puck. Glides along the blue line. Here's a chance to set up now. Blocker save. Team Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Rips it on net. Denies him on the play. Knocked away. And with the sound of the horn, that means the conclusion of period number 1. Well, a fun start at both ends of the rink. 1-0 is the score through the first frame. And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Really like the way both goaltenders have attacked the game. They haven't been passive. They've been out on top of the crease. Just one goal despite many chances in that first period.
Quick feed to Bjorkstrand. Bjorkstrand's got the puck in his own zone. Regains possession at center. Makes the save with the glove. Denmark's had the scoring opportunities. They just haven't been able to capitalize as they continue to trail. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Long jam in front, that's broken up. Team Denmark's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes the feed at the back end. Nice pass. Takes the feed. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Trying to get back on the attack now. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. With possession along the wall. And they come up empty-handed. Team Belarus has got the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes a shot. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Here they come on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed at the point. Here's a chance behind the net. What a stop as he puts out the fire! Denmark still trailing in this one despite numerous shots on goal. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. And that carries off a stick. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Receives the pass. Standing tall with the save. Scrum along the boards. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Drives it to the front of the net. Back on a stick now. From the boards, he takes that pass. Oh, great read on the play.
Team Denmark's in another close game. One of the reasons is positionally they're in the right place at the right time to intercept pucks.
Carries it in. Just wide. Team Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Levels them with the hit. From his own end, he picks up the puck. They've got the defense outnumbered. He scores!
Well, this could be something that changes your year around. You get a few bounces like this, or you don't get a few bounces like this. The puck's off the post in the net. You don't get many of these odd man rushes in the game, so when you do get one, you better take advantage. Really nice play.
Belarus has now built themselves up a 2-goal lead here in the second. Have you been impressed by their performance?
I have, and they have to keep playing this way. The game has changed from 5 years ago where you could defend. Now you have to keep attacking.
And that shot dies in traffic. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Team Belarus has grabbed a hold of the puck. Here's a chance. Hammers one, and he comes up with the save. Nearing the midway mark of the period, Belarus seems to be looking for more after increasing their lead to 2 goals. Grabbed along the boards by Jensen. Sends the pass over. They've got numbers. And he connects with the long bomb. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Stretch pass. Here's an odd man rush. Turns it aside with the glove. Denmark's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. On the attack along the boards. Blocker save. Pass to Ehlers. Quick feed to Bjorkstrand. Glove save and an easy one at that. Team Denmark's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And just out of arm's reach on the play. At center ice now, he grabs the puck. Team Belarus is looking to break out. And that pass is intercepted. Wow. And he scores! What a shot!
If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net. That pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Denmark's got a goal back, and they have narrowed the gap here, Ray.
Lots more energy. I like the way they pursued this goal. Now down only one. They must feel a lot better about themselves.
By number 51.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Oh, puts it wide.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Potteker's got it along the wing. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Moves close to the point. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. With possession along the wall. Puck knocked loose after that hit. And look at that after the whistle here. Clearly trying to goad him into something.
Yeah, or hurt him. That's a pretty good slash. One guy throws the challenge down. You don't have to take it, especially these days.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
Well, good news for them as they trail by one. They get a power play. The key here, though, James, is to be confident without pressing. Just get the puck to the net, make the penalty killer stress.
Tries to feed it over to Ehlers. Slides the puck over. Belarus gains possession shorthanded and manages to clear the zone. Team Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Sends a pass over. Lugs the puck back into the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. And puts it high.
Goalie had to dock that thing was so high.
Denmark's got it in their own zone. Moves with the puck at the corner. From their own end as they get a fresh set of legs here for this man advantage. Into the offensive end now. Lets it go. Oh, that just goes wide. Fires a one-timer and a great save. Back at the point, they set it up. Got to give the penalty killers a lot of credit as the penalty expires.
Well, there are times you look for your power play at the very least to gain a little momentum. They needed a goal. Now they still trail by one, back to even strength.
Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck down low. Loose puck battle along the boards. Puck scooped up by Jensen. Jensen's carrying it ahead. To his teammate. Oh, what a save in front. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. It's 2-1. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Takes that pass back at the point. Handles the puck. Here's a shot denied by the goaltender. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. Here's a shot. Sends it off mark.
A little bit too perfect with the delivery as he shoots it wide of the goal.
Takes the pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Shot, and he makes the save.
Belarus has played this whole period downhill. They've been on the body, they've controlled the puck, and they have the lead.
Team Denmark's looked good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Christensen's won the faceoff. Look out! Lets it go. Oh, the glove save! Where'd that come from? Denmark's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Centering pass, and that one's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed. Moves it around along the half wall. From one point man to another. On the attack along the boards. Takes a shot. Comes up with the stop. Team Denmark's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Picks it up. Here we go with the stop. Denmark's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Over the line they come. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Manages to hang on. Here he is from the slot. Fantastic save.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Oh, and another big stop. Unstoppable.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Denmark's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Here they come on the attack. He got all of that one. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Gives them nothing in front. Bodker's got it along the boards. Back to the blue line. Shot comes up with the stop. Belarus has the puck. Sends it in deep. Team Denmark's got the puck along the wall. And now he moves it to Russell. Nice pass. With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Russell. Jostling for the puck, but still moves away. Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. Gets in front of it. And that's just out of reach. What a steal in his own end.
The offensive player with the lead, you got to be sure with the puck. You can't turn it over in that spot.
Pass back to the point. Receives the pass. Carries it in. Quick pass to Eller. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Team Belarus has regained possession of the puck.
Last minute of play.
Under a minute to go here inside the second period. That sails over the net. Loose puck and they're off to the races. And great hustle to come up with the puck. Belarus with possession in their own zone. Looks to set up at the point now. Moves the puck along the half wall. Can't get it to go. Finds some space in the corner. Big play inside the defensive zone. Hammers it on net. Puts it just wide of the net.
He didn't have much room. He's making the attempt for a perfect shot there.
And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. 2-1 is where things sit after 40 minutes.
Hey fans, don't forget to pick up your team calendars. They're available in section 144 at the team kiosk.
What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. Takes a shot, and he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
He grabs the puck here at the point. Moves the puck down low. Great positioning in the defensive end. Gets that puck back on a stick. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. Snaps it onto the net. Stopped by the goaltender. We're still in the early stages of this period. It's a 2-1 hockey game. Nielsen's won the draw. Takes a shot. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. Moves the puck more to the middle. Sends it down low. Knocked away. Up along the wing. Team Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Russell's gaining momentum. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Right up front, and that's picked off in front. And he slides it quickly to Jensen. On the attack along the boards. He got all of that hit. There's a collision.
He's a power forward. That's a big part of his game. He really threw a big hit.
Back to the point it goes. Sends the pass over. Here's a shot, and he says no!
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Denmark's had a lot of good looks on goal, but they still trail early in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Cannon of a shot! Big-time stop there. Picking up some steam at center ice. Right in the slot! Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Denied by the goaltender. Another stop by the goaltender.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Laying the body. Takes a blast. Misses.
He's got to get this puck on the net. He's got all kinds of time to shoot it, but he fires it over top.
Just put it on the net.
Jensen's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Lots of time left in this period. It's a 2-1 game. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Dumps it in. Team Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a chance in front. Easily turned away by the goalie's glove. Slides the puck over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Sends a pass over. Excellent stick work on the play. Takes it across the blue line. From the slot, wrist shot, gets a piece of it with the glove. Slides the puck to Jensen. Slides the puck across to Jensen. With possession along the wall. Answers it with an even better save. Jabs the puck away. Stays with it. Along the wing up the neutral zone. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's the pass. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Now he takes it over the line. Here's a chance. And he slides it quickly to Jensen. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Nice poke check. Handles the puck. Takes the pass through the middle. Ehlers has the puck against the half wall. Big-time defensive play.
A little more patient with the puck. No need to try that play.
Takes the bank feed. Bjorkstrand's got it against the boards. Denies him! Over the line they come. Fires it. Makes the save with the trapper. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We've got a 2-1 game. Nielsen's won it off the faceoff. Scoops up the puck here. And now he tries to get it across to Russell. They've got numbers. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides that one right across the blue line. Denies him on the slapper. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Here they come on the attack. Denmark's got the puck behind the net. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the pass. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Well, what a great opportunity for them here. Trailing by a goal, you got a chance to even it up, and you've got the man advantage.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Whistle blown as a few players go ducking for cover on the bench.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Team Denmark's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, comes up with a stop. Trying to get the puck out of his own end. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play.
Those are the saves that are gifts from the goaltender. That looked like an automatic goal. He's able to make the stop.
Denmark's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Centering pass! Wrist shot from the slot, turned aside by the goalie. Team Denmark's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Ellers won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Off target! Scooped up along the wall by Bjorkstrand. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Handles it along the blue line. Moves it to Ehlers. Unloads from the blue line. Too much traffic in the lane. That's turned aside from the blocker.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. Makes his presence known on the ice. Got a step. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength.
You work so hard to get yourself back in the game. You earn a power play, and then you fail to cash in. So they still trail by 1. The game will continue at even strength.
Along the boards, they battle for the puck. And now it's over to Russell. Takes the feed. Rips it. Big save by the goaltender. Moves it around along the half wall. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Carries it in. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside.
Now we'll get another look at this. That's a good shot, but the goalie's gets the blocker up to make the save.
Team Denmark's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Denmark's got possession at center. Now a quick pass to Nielsen. Right in front! Chase right in front! Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. Bonaker's going off for hooking.
Even though he's going to argue this, I mean, there's nothing to argue about. His stick gets across the player's midsection. It's a penalty.
As we're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
Doesn't matter whether you've had 1 or 10 power plays. The fundamentals of it are the same. Win the draw, get the puck to the point, try and spread the penalty killers out.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Smart heads up play to intercept the pass. Puck lands right back onto the blade and makes the save. Team Denmark's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. On the attack along the boards. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Carries it across the line. Lets it go. Stopped by the blocker. And that one's broken up. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Hammers one from the point. Big time stop. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Both teams back to even strength here. I get that you're not going to score on every man advantage, but boy, they would have loved to have scored on that one.
Some disappointment on the bench after that power play. Everybody in the building knows the importance of the moment, and they weren't able to get it done.
Slides it back to the blue line. Lets the wrister fly. Nowhere for that shot to go through.
If you can play in this 100 feet of the ice, you're going to probably win this game. Get the puck into the offensive zone with a simple, smart play. Get after it and try to forecheck.
Lets it fly, and that one's stopped. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. Lays the body. Denmark's got possession here in the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. A rocker off the blocker. Takes the puck behind the net. Moves it quickly over to Ehlers. Comes up with the steal.
That's got to be delivered a little quicker. Nice play by the defensive team.
Moves the puck. Fires one. Stopped by the goaltender.
Well, you're not going to get much better scoring chance than that one, but the goaltender makes an excellent stick save.
Team Denmark's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. Moves the puck along the half wall. From the slot. Stopped by the goaltender. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. Quick feed down low. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a shot. Too many bodies in the way. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's not had a break since that puck's hit the ice about 2 hours ago. Every time they come into the zone, he's forced to make another stop.
Denmark's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. We got a delayed penalty coming up here as the ref's hand goes up in the air. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. Christensen's going to go off for a pair for charging here.
Yeah, he gets rung up for a hit that's a little bit over the line. You can't run that far to make the hit.
A little too overzealous?
Yeah, just a little.
They'll go right back to work here on the power play. What an opportunity.
If a power play struggles, another one doesn't often seem like a great opportunity for them. The guys are starting to stress. They don't enter well. It's really been a poor night for the power play.
Just wide. Team Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Less than 60 seconds left in regulation. And there's the save. Denmark's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Up along the wing. From the point, looks to make something happen. Towards the gaping net, just wide of the net. Nice pass. Move to the middle. Quick feed to Jensen. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. Fires towards the empty net. That goes wide. Team Denmark's got a hold of the puck. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. Jensen's got it in the offensive zone. Strong use of the body to force the puck loose. Long lead, fires to the empty net. Slides it quickly to Jensen. Final horn sounds, bringing this one to a close.
That's a tough loss for them, James. I mean, they did a lot of things right. Their face-offs were good, a lot of details good. They just didn't get enough done to win.
Can you see those positives after a game like this, though?
Not right now. Maybe tomorrow.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.